I am Dr. V. Sukanya from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Vadapalani campus. And I have chose the subject called Innovations in Marketing and Marketing of Innovation. The subject வந்து NPTEL la இந்த வாட்டி நியூவா வந்த கோர்ஸ் நான் நினைக்கிறேன். Lecture materials எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு it was nice. It was from IIT. It was good to take up this course and write the exam. எப்பவுமே ரெகுலரா படிக்கிற சப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் இல்லாம நியூவா ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் எடுத்து அதோட கிரெடிட்டை இவங்க ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணிக்கிறது பெட்டரா இருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறப்போ அவங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். நியூவா ஒரு விஷயம் கத்துக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
Dr. Nidhi Srivastav. I have done PhD in Human Resource Management itself. I am assistant professor working with Miyasi Institute of Management, Chennai. I opted the course for organizational behavior, which was the course that I took. It was a wonderful course. It is actually very much objective driven. The program is divided into short objectives. You complete assignment, you get the marks. So it is very much self-fulfilling and very much motivating for a student to complete the course and get the results therein. So that's why the program is nice. NPTEL helps because it's a government driven program. It helps us to do the program at our comfort and ease. So rather than going for and spending so much money on other private forums like Udemy, Coursera, we would like to prefer SWAYAM NPTEL portal, which is very much comfortable and easy.
என் பேர் கீதாஞ்சலி. நான் SRM யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் ப்ரொஃபஸராக ஒர்க் பண்ணுறேன். நான் ஏர் பொல்யூஷன் அண்ட் கண்ட்ரோல் என்ற கோர்ஸ் எடுத்தேன். அது 12 வீக் கோர்ஸ். அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது. வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் நல்லா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. நான் ஏர் பொல்யூஷன் அண்ட் கண்ட்ரோல் எடுத்ததுனால இப்போ என்விரான்மெண்ட் மேலே எனக்கு ஒரு அக்கறை வந்திருக்கு. அதாவது சுத்தமாக இருக்கணும். முன்னாடி ஏர் பொல்யூஷன் அது பற்றிலாம் அவ்வளோவா அக்கறை இல்லை. இப்போ இது படித்ததுனால கொஞ்சம் அக்கறை வந்திருக்கு. இதை நான் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட ஏர் பொல்யூஷன் அண்ட் கண்ட்ரோலை பற்றி கன்வே பண்ணுவேன். டெக்னிக்ஸ் என்ன இருக்குது, நியூ டெக்னாலஜி என்ன இருக்குன்றதை நாங்களும் படிக்கிறோம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மாதிரியே. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் இல்லை, நாங்களும் அப்டேட் ஆகிறோம் இந்த NPTEL கோர்ஸ் மூலயமா. இல்லைன்னா எங்களுக்கு அப்டேஷன் எதுவும் இருக்காது இல்லையா? அதனால எங்களுக்கும் இது யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது. எங்களை நாங்களே அப்டேட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம். அப்கிரேடிங் நாலேஜ் வந்து இங்கே கிடச்சிது. கண்டிப்பாக நான் மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணுவேன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸை NPTEL கோர்ஸ் பண்ணுங்கன்னு. உங்கள் நாலேஜ் அப்டேட் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு இது ஒரு வேன்னு சொல்லி கண்டிப்பாக மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணுவேன். இதில் டெக்னிக்கலாக கொஞ்சம் அதிகமாக சொல்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குது கம்பேர்ட் டு உடமி, கோர்செரா. NPTELல இதில் அதிக நாலேஜ் இருக்க மாதிரி கெயின் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்குது. வீடியோஸ் அண்ட் ப்ரொஃபஸர் லெக்சர்லேருந்து அதிக நாலேஜ் கிடைக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குது. அதனால தான் நான் NPTEL ப்ரிஃபர் பண்ணேன்.
Myself, my name is Raja. I am working as assistant professor in Meenakshi Sundaraj Engineering College, Kovilambakkam. I have taken air pollution control engineering as an NPTEL course for today. While doing the assignments, it motivated me to eagerly know about air pollution and current environment in the situation. The question was quite easy. Toughness was up to the mark. I hope I will get pass mark and get certification. Thank you for NPTEL and motivating for every other Indians in to participate in IIT level subject courses. The live session actually helped us to understand more. Even while taking up the lecture sessions, we can't able to solve much of the problems. The live sessions help us more to get understand the problems in a way, quite way, because it's an end-to-end process. Like that, while seeing the videos, we can't able to get the most of the juice, but while having the live session, they can able to solve the problems. They are helping us to solve the problems in a very much easier manner. Okay, yeah, I have referred most of my students to take up the NPTEL. Actually, I am a mentor of this course, and yeah, about 10 of the students have registered, and hope I'll get the Madras certificate also.
I am Kovilambakkam. I am working as teaching fellow in Anna University. It is a best course, NPTEL. Normal courses, for example in IEEE, compared to normal courses, it gives more concentration on problems. So they give the perfect solutions as well as the practical experience. So students gain more practical knowledge as well as how to solve the problem. It will be easy in the NPTEL. At the time of teaching, it will give more knowledge to any subject. For example, I wrote the power quality, but it gives, previously I didn't have more knowledge about that. But after that, I gain more knowledge regarding my power quality subject. After that, I will teach more related to that subject.
So, hi, my name is Raghavi and I am from Stella Maris College.
I am Kishoran. I am studying third year EC Engineering.
Yeah, my name is Varun. I am currently studying in BTech IT third year in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering.
The current course which I mean like the exam which I took up now is from the Sustainable Development course, and the paper was quite good. The course itself is like very educative. I found that there are a lot of laws and all which gives rise to green buildings and like net zero energy buildings and all, and which I was not aware of. So I think that it was very educative and I was able to learn a lot through this course. And previously I've done a lot of courses related to biology and all that stuff, and that was also very interesting. And this paper currently I enjoyed it so much. One thing is that like in online, when we compare online and the offline courses, when it comes to online, at times we would be able to repeat it again and again, the same video, same part again and again, and like register it in your mind. If it's something related to memorizing things and all, that will be more easier. An offline mode, that is not possible. So that is the major difference. Apart from that also, I feel that in online courses, it's like from home you can take it up, and it's more easier, convenient, according to your time you can take it up. So that's more easier for me. So the assignments and all, it was related to the video for that particular week. For most of the courses I've taken up in NPTEL, the exams and all would be quite difficult compared to assignments. But the current course, Sustainable Development course, it was like similar. So I felt it more easier this time. The NPTEL, it's mostly associated with the IIT and all that stuff. So I think that's more credible. So the information given through this is like, I feel it to be more credible, and I felt that the professors here teach, the way of teaching, and it's more easier for me to grasp. One thing I would say is that the materials and all is so nice, but then the textbook or something, textbook in the sense the reference materials, in written form in the sense typed one, the course content is nice, but then for the materials which they give, that must be more, it should be to the point rather than being so elaborate that at times it feels so difficult to grasp all these things. Like to read and get to know is difficult. I had to refer a lot of Google sources also to understand those things. Apart from the lectures, I think the materials which they provide, that can be more to the point, and like I think it can be better. I've done animal physiology, I've done, and then applications of biotechnology I've done, and then I've done many courses related to biology. In colleges also they prefer doing certification courses, especially in NPTEL or something. So I think it will help them gain more knowledge also. So it will help them gain more skills for job opportunities and all that stuff. That will be better. The overall thing is that NPTEL, it gives you a lot of information, and the professors and all, they also teach pretty well. So I think we could gain a lot of information, especially since it's online, we could gain it from home. So I think NPTEL plays a major role in upskilling students.
I've done English for competitive exams because I'm preparing for a staff selection commission, which is conducted by our central government. So it is very useful for us. Yeah, NPTEL is similar to internships we will be taking, right? So it's similar.
NPTEL course was pretty thorough with all of the information that they provided. Especially I chose data analytics. I felt that it was more thorough than what was being done at college, and week by week the videos were quite easy to follow. Definitely I chose data analytics. I feel it will be a big game changer in the IT industry. Having that information is quite useful given the current circumstance of AI and other ML course. The course instructors were pretty helpful, along with the weekly problem solving sessions that we had in Google Meet. We had problem solving sessions in Google Meet which were very helpful along with the instructors. Yes, the materials were provided on time, and they were quite helpful in solving the problems and understanding the information provided via the PPTs. Yes, I believe they are quite different in that they got to more parts of the course than what was taught in college. We had an ML course in college, but this was quite more thorough.
So I'm Srinivasan Gokulakrishnan. I'm currently doing my BTech Information Technology in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So why did I actually choose NPTEL exam? That too, programming in Java. It's because I wanted to get experienced in Java, and at the same time, the real reason why I chose this exam is that I would be able to cancel out one of my last semesters one course, so that I can just do my project review, and that is the reason why I'm doing this NPTEL course. Like NPTEL's course, the instructor who's like teaching, you get your own time in your house to like actually access the course, so that it's not necessary for you to like learn daily. You can learn in your own pace. So I feel that is really comfortable when it comes to NPTEL. So yeah, there's like two sections. In one section they actually teach the concepts, and in the next section, that is the demonstration section, they actually teach you how to solve an actual problem, and at the same time you'll be even given assignments. Whereas in colleges, when you are asked to do assignments, you actually copy it from the friends who actually tend to do it. So seeing it in that point of view, I see NPTEL in a good way. I chose NPTEL because NPTEL is recognized, and when it comes to Udemy, you don't have any exams. When completing the course, you get the certificate in Udemy, but in NPTEL you'll have to write an exam, and only passing that exam you'll be having that certificate with you. It's compared with your college. Actually in college the staffs won't teach in depth, whereas when it comes to NPTEL, the instructors have to teach in depth, so that they'll be able to understand the concepts, and they'll be able to write the exam as well. So NPTEL's instructors and courses are really well designed. I would rate 5 out of 5 for the professors who teach in NPTEL, and for the course that I registered, programming in Java, the instructor was like really good. I was well satisfied with the instructor. NPTEL courses, see NPTEL courses as a well developed course, because doing that course enables you to like get or grasp knowledges in that particular domain, so that when you get into a company, you'll be easily able to answer the interview point of view questions. Like in technical HR, they ask you recent types of questions. So while doing these MCQs, you'll know why this particular answer stands out from the remaining options. So it helps me in cracking the interview as well.
Hi, I'm Sriram. I'm writing the NPTEL exam on blockchain and its application. Course was very good. It has enhanced my technical knowledge on blockchain. I did not know how blockchain worked and how it has been used in the real world applications before attending this course. This was very useful. College curriculum, everything won't be explained explicitly. We have to go through the internet and find it ourselves. In NPTEL, it is easier to find the resources and study from there.
My name is Praveena. I'm working for IIT Madras, working for the alumni office. Right now, I've opted for a course on leadership and team effectiveness. Earlier also, I've done a course on entrepreneurship. Excellent learning experience. The course came handy. Right now, even this course is extremely an eye-opener on leadership and team effectiveness. From the regular college courses, I think there is a lot of case studies. I think it's more practical. The course offered by NPTEL is more practical learning, and also takes the latest trend of any case studies, like the entrepreneurship course which I did earlier also refer to the most recent Byju's case study as well. So I think the NPTEL courses get into the most latest, news. Course instructors are extremely, obviously they are all from other IITs too. The earlier course course instructor was from IIT Madras. Right now the course which I've opted is from IIT Roorkee. So undoubtedly they are one of the best.
I'm Sonia Shakti. I'm a research scholar from Anna University. I'm here for the NPTEL exam. I've attended research methodology in natural sciences. It was quite easy, and follow up with the assignments and the courses, lecture videos will definitely clear it with good percentage. Yeah, it was too good. The lecture classes were very good. The transcripts also, I got the transcripts and I learned from this transcript, so it was good. Course is too good. NPTEL courses are highly recommended.
Myself Nagarajan. I'm working in IT organization, and I came here for writing an examination. Usually I refer the NPTEL course for whenever I have certain doubts in the subject. So we usually observe some things in the class, and whenever we miss something in the class, we used to refer the NPTEL. Previously, we used to go to the YouTube and search some channels, but for the last 2 years, 3 years, I was using NPTEL more because everything was covered in the NPTEL courses. Even for one subject, it is provided by multiple professors, so it was very useful. Like multiple professors are explaining the concepts, and it was like different ways they are explaining. So it is very easy to observe the concepts. Yeah, it's like they are delivering the concepts and in different ways. So it's helping in ourselves to understand the concepts clearly. The syllabus and all, everything was like getting covered. It's like mostly all the courses. For example, today I came here for writing the distributed test exam. So for that particular subject, we have around 2 to 3 professors have been submitted the syllabus. Like mostly, if we there is like no chance to miss any syllabus concept. Like everything was covered among the subject. Yeah. Currently, it was useful for me to understand the concept. Like rather than searching in the websites. I know like there is a solution definitely at any time, and NPTEL is providing that till now. So in future also I am expecting the same.
My name is Rishant, currently studying in Savita Engineering College, pursuing BTech Chemical Engineering course. I am studying of second year. I have taken the NPTEL course of biomass conversion and biorefinery. Especially I took this course for my project work. Actually, I am doing a project based on the biofuels from the biomass conversion using the hydrothermal liquefaction processes. So I especially chosen this course, biomass conversion and biorefinery, and today I have came to the exam center to give an attempt to this NPTEL course. And it was overall good. Overall course content covered all the topics, including the biomass and overall economic wise as well as the global economic wise. So it was very informative and useful for my project work. Yeah, online learning would be easy when compared to offline learning. In the ease of our environment and surroundings, we can attempt on our time schedules.
I'm Maria. I have chosen Business Intelligence and Analytics. The course is very useful. I have done it by recommending my college, and the assignments are very useful, and the place where I wrote the exam is also good. The way of communication of the lecturer was very easy to understand.
This is Rajkumar Bhagat. I am working at Qualcomm currently and based out of Chennai, and I am pursuing MTech in Information Technology through IIT Madras. The course that I have taken matches with our work that I do. Like I work on the network subsystem domain, and the course that I have taken is the information security. So it helps me a lot in my work also, and I am liking this course. If I consider the first semester, it was like encryption algorithms and all that we directly use in our course. So I believe this is to improve my professional work. So I have taken this course. Regarding the lectures and all, I find it very punctual. Like all the lectures are on time. I find all the materials coming on time, uploaded to the Google Drive on time, and yeah, we have very good TA as well as the professor. They are very helpful. If we email anything, they are able to help us all. So my work, right, currently I am working on a network subsystem domain. So like our company has a collaboration with IIT Madras. So when we get to know, like the course offered by IIT Madras is on information security, and the large part of the work that I do concern the data, and we do work directly on encryption and decryption on our day-to-day work. So that inspired me because I want to know the base behind all the things that we are doing. So that's inspired me to do the course wise. It's well planned because as the overall course says, information security, things lies on that, and like the encryption decryption algorithms first semester. Then we have this DSA as well as ML that deals with data as well. So and I like the punctuality in the class basically, because that helps us to get the videos on time. Class, if you attend, it will be interactive. All our professors are very interactive, like you can ask doubt anytime if you want, and also you will get all the materials. So
myself Dominic, I am from SSN College of Engineering pass out student. I have appeared for aircraft design course. It actually gives me some basic knowledge on what it is, gives me an idea on the subject, and just shows that I am much more inclined to that, and it will help me go further. And if I want to pursue in higher studies, this will might help.
Yeah, I am Mohandas, working as an associate professor in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and this is my fourth NPTEL course. And today I wrote the exam for MATLAB for numerical computation. And we have introduced this course for our college students since our institute is an autonomous institute. I decided to do this NPTEL course for using the teaching learning of our students. And the course, actually I was expecting the questions like syntax in MATLAB. Instead of asking the syntax, there was a lot of questions relevant to the mathematics like Ranjigutta method, RK method, Hume's method. So that is one of the disappointments for me. Yeah, of course, Professor Nikete was excellent. He came down to the earth, he explained everything. Only the disappointment is I was expecting the majority of the questions from the fundamentals of or syntax of MATLAB, but almost 50% of the questions from the mathematics. Yeah, since the NPTEL course are being run by the IIT professors, so definitely the quality of the teaching, learning and the outcome of the course will be useful for me to learn the fundamentals of the subject. That's why I have chosen the NPTEL. For the professors, definitely a 10 out of 10 in terms of teaching learning methodology, but with respect to the question asked, I give 7 out of 10. Yeah, see, I am 50 plus, so no way it is going to help me in my career, but I can use this knowledge to teach my students.
I'm Ekagri Nigam. I'm a student of VIT Chennai, currently in my third year. So I'm a student of VIT Chennai third year. I'm in the electronics and computer branch. My name is Ekagri Nigam. The course materials, I think they're good enough, but they do need a bit of additional critical thinking. Only reading the course materials won't be enough to pass in the examination. You can pass, but you won't excel in the examination. Only if you rely on the course material. So I think the instructors were quite qualified in what they were teaching, and the level of experience and the expertise they had was a bit more than what I expected, because I'm used to learning from YouTube and all these things, and the professors from those established universities have quite a good amount of expertise in those things they're teaching. So NPTEL courses generally have a more structured, the whole course is more structured, and we can see the easy organization into separate weeks, and each topic is divided into different modules, and it helps in the learning process eventually. Professors, I would think 8.5 to 9, I think they're quite qualified. So I think the credit transfer process is a bit easier in NPTEL, because my university provides a direct communication between NPTEL and my college courses, so the credit transfer is easy. That's the most basic reason. I think the particular course I chose in this semester might not be directly useful to my coursework exactly, but it is responsible for social development and things like working in the office and all those factors.
Hi, I'm Brinda from Rajalakshmi School of Business. I'm doing PGDM. So today I have attended blockchain and its application. It was completely an insightful course. And last week I have attended a TAM course, which is Talent Acquisition and Management, which was really easy, and it's gained more knowledge to me. And as well, it is very helpful for my internship summer SIP program. And one request from my side is, while choosing the center for the candidates, you can put the center inside the city. This is actually in the highways, so it is difficult for us to travel, and it actually makes a tension whether we would reach the center on time or not. So next time, please put inside a city or prefer a college better than a center like this. Thank you so much.
How about the course materials for you, and how much will you rate our professors?
Yeah, the assignment part, which I have gone through completely. I didn't moreover gone through the PPTs. I have completely gone through the assignments. It was completely helpful, and yeah, moreover that came in the exam. it helped me a lot. Actually, in talent acquisition management, the courses was really well, and moreover, looking into the YouTube, it is more to be precise in our NPTEL videos. Yeah, we have ABC, that credit will be added to in our card, right? So which will be helpful in the long term. More than a degree or course, we'll be doing a paper in the degree, it will suppress in that. But paper which will be done in the NPTEL add-on course can be added, can be specially mentioned in our LinkedIn page. So that is what the special thing. I have done a specialized course in TAM, specialized course in blockchain. We can't say that in my degree I did this, but we can say in the NPTEL course I have done this.
I am Ashish Bhargav. I came to give exam about blockchain and its application about the NPTEL course. It was a great course. I came to know about blockchain in a very detail. The exam was also good. It tests your knowledge about the course which you have studied properly and gives all the necessary knowledge to have in field. The professors were really good. They teach in great depth. They clarify your knowledge also about the seminars which provided for doubt clarification. It was also great seminars. The doubts were clarified and all the things were really arranged well. Out of 10, I'll rate them about 8. Most of the things were there, but sometimes we have to search from net or justify which there, so I'll give them 8 out of 10. Really different. It gives you knowledge about the field which is currently going on, industry knowledge. It gives, like, it provides you in-depth knowledge about the blockchain which is required right now, about bitcoins, what blockchain, how it works and all that things. Yeah, it was really helpful. It tells us about blockchain. Like, I'm studying cybersecurity, so it was really helpful in my field. It tells me about how today's technology is working and how should I pursue it. So it was really helpful.
I am Divya. I am assistant professor working in Gojan School of Business and Technology. This is the first time I am going through the NPTEL exam. I selected artificial intelligence. So far I attended some of the assignment questions and also the video recordings which has been posted in the Swayam. And then it was a very good experience when I am going through the videos. The questions I attended is 50% is okay. The remaining 50% I feel somewhat tough. I just gone through and I attended. I don't know how so far I was corrected. But it is very knowledgeable. If we attend, we can gain more knowledge about artificial intelligence. I think I was much satisfied in attending these exams. Course material is good, but as I am a working profession, I cannot find some time. I'm going through on Saturdays and Sundays only. You can provide the hard copy of the materials by post or something. We can go through day by day. When I am feeling, I can read it from the hard copy. So you can provide the hard copy to the corresponding addresses. That is my suggestion. The teaching is good. The teaching is good, and their English communication is also good. I am in teaching profession, so I can able to gain knowledge what they are coming to say also, and we can also have some practical knowledge. Actually, they are giving everything as an explanation. We need some of the practical applications where and all we can apply it, where we can implement it in case of this artificial intelligence. So it was very useful only. Whatever they are saying, the IIT professors, it is very knowledgeable. It's gaining knowledge also. It is very knowledgeable. Comparing to the other exams, the questions are all of somewhat tough to understand, but it is we need that knowledge. Then only we can go deep into this particular subject. So it is very useful and it is very much satisfied the questions. Then the stuff is very difficult, but up to this it is satisfactorily. It's good. Now and all, every engineering college is asking such type of certification courses in order to have their career good. We actually first the staff should be good than the students. Then only we can say whatever the knowledge we can implement to the students. So based on this, we should have the knowledge. The faculty members should gain good knowledge about the subject. So keep on teaching to the students. They can provide us, the improvement should be on the student basis as well as for the faculty basis. That's okay. Thank you.
I am Aditya Vashni from Chennai. So this is my first experience in the field of NPTEL, and I am glad to fill this exam, and it is very easy and it is very knowledgeable, and the questions are also easy, and I gained some knowledge about this related topic, that is data science, data analytics with Python. Because the lectures are different and the professors gives more definition about this topic, and in my point of view, these topics will help me in the time of placements also, and they also providing the notes, so this will be useful for me also. Okay, it is very explainable, so from my point of view it is very easy, and I can clearly understand the topics line by line. Yeah, they are very like interactive, and they are also suggesting some interactive sessions with us and practice sessions also. This helps me a lot to attend the exams. The main thing is they are giving the notes, and the assignments, which helps me a lot to attend the exams. So the one thing I suggest NPTEL is the assignments, and the explanation given by the professors also simple and easy to understand it. As I am the engineering student, I am pursuing my UG degree. It is very useful for my placements. So for this, I also suggest all the students to do the NPTEL exams.
Hello, welcome to this NPTEL courses, and I am Ferdinand from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kanchipuram, and I am a new research scholar. For my research purpose, for a coursework, I did the course Smart Grid Basics to Advanced Technology, and throughout the 3 months period, and the experience about the course is, it was very nice and easy to understand, and I did not expect that in the last 3 weeks it was given with more examples. Previously also I have done it, but that was a mathematical related subjects. That is a different, but this is much useful for my coursework. Really, my topic is going to be one of the content of this courses. So I have enjoyed this courses, and about the examinations, it was very nice, and also the questions was easiest only, not in a toughest one. And previously also I have done many courses, and I got as a certificate also, and I hope here also I will get a certificates. About the NPTEL, I am very much satisfied, and also I found that there are many courses previously taught is available in YouTube also. I thought that if the courses has completed, that will not be available, but I found all the courses are available in a YouTube. That is also very much useful for me to carry my research work. Thank you. Yeah, for my career, because it is my coursework. Since it is a coursework, definitely if I get pass only, then only I can proceed my further next step. So it is essential for my research work.
I am Lalita. I am working in Sai Matriculation Higher Secondary School as a primary teacher. Today I have written English language for competitive examination. Since now I can't go for competitive exams, but I thought I can guide my children to write for more competitive exams. That's why I have chosen this course today. And moreover, my basic studies, actually my master degree is in English literature, so I have taken this course. And moreover, today I thought the exam would be very difficult because I didn't prepare much due to my family problems, and school work pressure. I was not able to read properly, but I have submitted all the 12 assignments. With that, most of the questions, whatever I have done in the assignment, today they came. I think I would get above 70 in this course. And moreover, all the videos, scripts, everything available in the website, so everyone can easily approach this. They can apply for this course and they can do. There are more courses available. Depending upon their discipline, they can take. They are doing excellently. Actually, rating means 10. 10. I can give 9. Future, yes, because nowadays no one is depending upon the physical teacher. Everything is available in online. So it will be useful, surely.
So my name is Padmashri and I'm from Crescent School of Architecture, and I've chosen strategies for sustainable design. The exam was quite easy. Most of the questions were from the assignment which was given. Yeah, it was more helpful, useful for the practical design.
Okay, my name is P. Saishant Reddy. I am studying from Satyabama College. I come to know about NPTEL exam by some of our college staff. I have taken data analytics with Python course. From in college, they'll say just about the topics which are related to exam and which are related to our course. But in NPTEL, generally they have asked of combining of all courses.
I'm Charulata. I'm a law student, first year law student studying in Satyabama University. Yeah, course materials were very detailed and everything was explained very detailed, and it was very useful for learning. NPTEL courses, since it is online, whenever we are free, we are able to access it, and it is very useful even to answer our college questions and quizzes conducted in college, and it has every details clearly, so it is very useful to attend even college exams.
My name is C.V. Rupashri and I am from Panimal Engineering College. So I have completed 3 NPTEL courses so far, and today I wrote programming in Java. So it was very nice actually. Actually already we have learned programming in Java. So it was a little easy for me to. NPTEL courses, you can see the videos again and again till you can understand the concept. So in college, it is only for a period of among 60 students we have to listen to the class. So it was quite easy. Yeah, we also downloaded all the videos and PDFs provided by the sirs and provided by the sirs of IIT, and it was very useful actually. So my target is to complete about 7 NPTEL courses. So far I have completed 3.
So greetings everyone. So myself Vityendranath. So I am from Beltech High Tech Dr. Rangarajan Daksakula Engineering College. So I have enrolled a course of computational systems biology, which is delivered by very well delivered by Karthik Raman, professor of IIT Madras from Department of Biotechnology. And I very much like this course, and the way of the professor that delivered this course is also very well. But I haven't gone through much of the course lectures, but I will go through it afterwards whenever I find time. But the exam, well, coming to the examination point of view, the questions are very well they have designed as compared to the assignments questions. So I have gained much more knowledge, and I would like to gain more knowledge after revising many lectures. Thank you. Yeah, course materials and course material and the professors are also very good. It's very well. Yeah, I can rate like 4, greater than 4. 4 out of 10, like 8 to 9 or 10. Yeah, actually I have selected this course for my research purposes because since it's a computational systems biology course, I would like to perform various research in this particular field, and it also helps in various subfield of my research. So that's why I would like to touch up on this course. Thank you.
And I'm coming from Perambur. You should have practiced more and more before coming to this exam. It's very tough. I have done the exam in Java programming. It's literally so tough comparing to the last exams everyone have been writing. You have to be very experienced in programming so much in order to get pass marks in this exam. Thank you. NPTEL having more assignments and weekly tests when comparing to the normal college where we can just having a semester exam for 6 months once, which is not much practicing thing when we comparing to this, and we have more assignment in NPTEL where we have practicing around 4 to 5 problems every week, which should be practiced more. So NPTEL is better comparing to this. Course professors and materials are little bit in older version comparatively, because in this digital era it seems to be very old-fashioned way that they're teaching. So I think it should be updated, and it should be in the way that we can connect to the staffs, because I have been watching these videos for the past 12 weeks, and it's not so much connecting, and I have to refer so much videos on YouTube in order to prepare for this exam. So for me, the thing has to improve in this video format, and bringing regional languages also will be helpful for the students to prepare in this exam. So that's my point of view. NPTEL certification is a necessary thing in every student's life, because it has a national level recognition. So wherever we go for placements, they can recognize us through this certificate. We have done something, so it's very important.
Hi, my name is Himanshu, and the course which I took NPTEL was blockchain in its applications. The exam was pretty good. All the questions were really innovative and all quite challenging. So ultimately, also the venue was really nice, the facility was nice, and the overall exam experience was nice. No, this is the third time I'm giving the exam, and this is the third time I'm giving the NPTEL exam, and the course name is the blockchain and its applications. So compared to college, I would say like it's a lot more convenient and easy for students to get such type of courses. They can watch all the lectures whenever they want to, and they can easily write these exams and complete by their own comfort. And I would say the whole course content is very structured. Do follow it weekly, complete all your assignments, watch all the lectures, and hope you get the good marks. Yeah, learning from IIT professors, obviously it was a great experience. The faculties are really experienced, and the knowledge content they're having is really up to the mark. Yeah, so basically NPTEL provides also the discussion forum where we can discuss our doubts and any issues which we're facing, and I think it's a great platform which provide also you are not in a classroom but also gives a sense of belonging to a classroom. So I think that's a great. Yeah, I would highly recommend NPTEL courses, because even if you are not having any credits also, anyone can opt in these courses. It's completely free of cost, and it's a great learning experience from the very talented and experienced professors from IITs.